Welcome to my channel. Now let's watch perfumes in perfume showroom in Luxor in Egypt. A perfume showroom in Luxor offers a captivating blend of fragrance, culture and Egyptian tradition. As you step inside, the air is filled with aromatic notes that instantly calm the senses. Rows of glass bottles sparkle under warm lights, displaying perfumes in every hue. Many of these fragrances are derived from ancient recipes used by pharaohs and queens.
When you say pure essence, is it ether or is it perfume?
It's what?
There's a difference between ether and perfume.
I tell you now, my friend. In India, call it ether. But what's different? Essence more concentrated, more strong than ether.
Then perfume, yeah.
Second, ether use it as a perfume. Essence used as a perfume and the medicine. What's the difference between the essence and the spray? One mixed with alcohol like this one, you can buy it from anywhere. Estee Lauder, Calvin Klein, Christian Dior. Any spray like this one contain 80% alcohol, 10% chemicals, 10% essence.
Oh.
Essence, no alcohol. How are we going to know? By this way. See? This is alcohol.
Alcohol, yeah.
Okay? Essence.
It's chemicalized.
See?
It doesn't ignite.
No alcohol. And not that it's meant for the magic. Smell, give it to smell.
Which all the senses you have?
Just wait, my friend. I give you everything. Just wait. Essence, the spray which is alcohol. Alcohol is inflammable. If you use it directly on the skin here or here.
Yeah.
Smell it on the skin, stay from 3 to 6 hours on the skin.
Oh.
Clothes, how we're going to use? By this way. No, by this way. 2 drops in your hand. 1, 2. شلون تكتب لك؟ لا ما بعتها مع معلم. By this way, شلون تكيب بس. If you have white color, no problem, no
You can
spots.
use it on your clothes.
Yes, that's so true.
My friend, see?
It doesn't leave a stain or a mark.
See?
Some leaves.
No, see? Here, just you can see. See? This is the white color.
Yeah.
No spots. How long will go to stay on the clothes?
Yes.
1 day, 2 days, maybe 3 days.
It stays on.
Keep it inside the bottle not less 5 years.
5 years.
At your home. If you like to put the bottle without cover, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, no problem. Essence no evaporating because no alcohol. This is our list. Very happy.
Interesting.
Thank you.
Pencil. Second figure, jasmine. Jasmine, nice smell. Jasmine.
No.
At the first, welcome to Egypt.
Yes.
My name is Nadi. We're going to be your local guide here for about 10 minutes, okay? But first of all, we'd like to give you something to drink. This is the Egyptian hospitality welcome drinks. This place, under control the government. Here, no rush, no rush. If you like to buy something, you're welcome. No buy something, no problem here. Here we get the Egyptian tea, peppermint tea, Arabian coffee, hibiscus flower juice. Tea, peppermint tea, coffee, hibiscus flower juice. This is free, welcome drinks. For the Egyptian tea, you would like to get tea? Tea?
Egyptian tea is black tea or is it?
Black tea, yes.
No, I don't want black tea.
Sinus, yes. Sinus, cold, throat ache. Knees, arthritis pain, muscles pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, back pain. All the body massage oil.
It's a
Dry skin on the hand, elbow dry, cracked feet. Ladies for black wrinkles, eye, acne, damaged face, hair problem, dry hair, hair falling down. We have many different. We use it as a medicine. Now, if you don't mind, we're going to try to smell. How we're going to smell? By this way. Just to give you a little bit your back finger here. You wrap and smell. Second one, put it here, wrap it by the same finger. Third, fourth, fifth one. After you finish this hand, we're going to change your hands. Don't mix together. If you like any smell, by your pencil, make a sign beside any number you like. Because after we finish, If you think to choose or to buy anyone, you can remember. You like this one, you don't like this one. First one, we want to smell attar of rose. Rose flower. Number 20. Rose flower. Rose.
Rose.
Luxury showrooms are known especially for high quality, pure, essential oils. These oils are often stronger and longer lasting than commercial perfumes. Popular Egyptian scents such as lotus, jasmine, and sandalwood are showcased prominently. I hope you like this video on perfumes. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.